There's a cool new filter that has this cool vintage 90s flash look, and I'm going to show you how to use it in this video. I made something special just for you. The Reels Blueprint is a free guide that shows you how to plan, film, and post short-form videos that actually feel like you. Grab yours using the link in my description and start showing up on camera with confidence. Woo woo! For these photos, it's good to have a photo with like not too messy of a background, and you want to be close to the camera. It's just gonna look a little bit better. If it's a wide photo, it doesn't usually work. So I'm gonna go into my profile, and then I'm gonna click the plus sign, and I'm gonna click story. And now let's select that picture, and then you're gonna click the 3 stars. Down here at the bottom, it says Flash Film Styles, or if you don't have this one, just browse effects and search for Flash Film Styles. You can just press it, and then it's just gonna use AI to like magically warp it. And there you go. That actually looks really film style. Then you can save it. So you just click down and download it, and it's gonna save it to your camera roll. Now you have that photo saved. Say you wanna do another one. I'm just gonna go find my photo. Ooh, this one's fun. I love this camera. This camera allows you to take photos that look more vintagey like. It's like a disposable camera, but it's a digital disposable camera. You can't see what the photos look like on the back until you plug them into a computer. So it's like an efficient, affordable way to have disposable photos without having to print them. So we're gonna click the 3 stars and flash effect. Ooh, that looks so cool, especially with that disco ball. So done, and then you want to save it. This is like a wider photo and I'm small on it. I'm gonna press the effects, and if you don't have that flash, if you go film style up top, there's all these different film styles that you could adjust. Let's see. Let's just use, I like that flashlight. So let's see if it's gonna work with this one. It changed my face. So like on some photos, it does, because it uses AI, it can change your face. So I don't really like that one. Let's try a different photo. You can see, because it's closer, it doesn't change our faces as much. But if it's a wider shot, it might change your face a little bit too much and looks really bad. But I love this photo, especially in the vintage. This is awesome. And then you could use those photos to make a reel. So you're gonna exit out of here, go to plus, reel, and then add your flash photos, and then you can pick a song. I'm just picking a random song because I'm not able to share the audio with you for copyright purposes, so it doesn't really matter. So let's say we have this, and let's make it like 2 seconds. So I'm going to delete that. So I'm going to just go to how long I want it, select it, press the split button, delete the second half. Select it, press the split button, delete the second half. I could even go and add some kind of effect between them. So see that line between them? Just click on that. And then you can see some transitions. So we could do, where's that? Flare. There. And let's add the flare for this one too. Perfect. So then you can see we have the photos, and then a nice flare between them so it looks like it's a flash.